How to remove Instagram account from another phone. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right, and click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right. From here, you should get to the settings and activity. So this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, we go to Account Center. You can find at the top, scroll down a bit, and let's go to Password and Security. The first way would be to change your password. So tap on Change Password at the top, choose the account you want to remove from another phone from. And what you're going to do here is to enter your current password, your new password, and retype your new password, and just tap on Change Password at the bottom. That will automatically log out of other devices. As you can see, it is checked right here, and make sure that it is checked. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Another way would be to go back to the page and tap on where you're logged in, select the account that you want to log out from another device, and you should see logins on another device. You can tap on a specific device like this one and tap on log out, and that will automatically log it out from that specific device. And that is how you can basically remove Instagram account from another phone.